So good evening, everyone. So tonight I'm having fun with the family because we're having a bonding. So since my toddler is in bed now sleeping, so it's my time to shine. It's my time to shine. So yeah, I'm lucky that I got that one of my family friend that here try to assess me on my camera because I'm not that expert in the camera, and because if she's not here, I'm not gonna set up my camera this clear. Okay, so let's have fun and I'm gonna tour you around. Okay? Okay, dili magpisik-pisik ha. Dili magpisik-pisik ha. Okay, so we're gonna have a slide here. Oops, mapisikan ko. Akong cellphone maguba. Ay ba. So that's the slide there. They have two swimming pool here as I show you during the day. During in the daylight, one swimming pool here and one swimming pool there. No, I mean they got three different swimming pools. The other side would be the swimming pool for kids, and this one is for the adult and the best swimmer there. So that's it. Yeah. My tripod is not strong enough, so I'm gonna have to check it.
Dapat nagpulungay.
All right.
Ano ba? Tambak na. Ha? Tambak. Jake, ito ba? Ito ba? Ito ba?
So this is just one in the blue moon. So I'm gonna have to grab this opportunity since this is not gonna be always. So this is what we call freedom, right? You know what? Earlier I was having an anxiety to think about what would be the content that I want to be created, since seems like I am feeling anxious during that time since I was busy with my toddler and with family activities, and it's gonna be energy draining, you know. So I'm gonna have to swim a lot now, and then I'm gonna have to cut this vlog off. maybe I won't be able to edit it because my full storage was set. Okay, so I can have to adjust it till I get a new one. So welcome on board. Take two. So you know what? It's feel awesome to be being with yourself. If you have freedom to yourself, that you don't worry about anything. You just care about what you like and what would be you want to be developed to yourself. And they're having fun. You're having fun in the slide, and I don't try being in the slide because I don't feel like I'm sexy doing that stuff. This is the activity that I really interested with. Oh my god, I'm shaking because it's so cold. I'm shaking already. And I just want to enjoy the moment because I am totally free tonight. And I gonna have to go back as a regular full-time mom in a few hours, maybe later after 4 hours. And tomorrow morning we're going back to the city. As I mentioned earlier, we're here in the province with a family reunion, and after that we have a family gathering. So you know what, if you know how to value everything, then you will be free. Just think about yourself and think about your mental health, because if you're trying to care about what other people are trying to say about you, you will be depressed, and then all of the sudden you have anxiety. Oh, just enjoy the moment.
Walay tugnaw ay basta na rin madugay.
Oh, I'm shaking! So it's look like a private swimming pool tonight because just my family is here. There's no outsider around, so yeah, we're just who's crying? You You know what? In my mind, what is inside in my mind is I don't care about who I become in the future. Either I am successful or not. As long as I'm enjoying and everything I do, I am successful enough to myself to think that way. So I'm just praying to God that one of my wish will be granted. I just have a very simple dreams. I don't have a very big dreams. Just simple girl that dream to have a happy family. That my family can live in a comfortable home. And oh my God, it's too cold. But I can't imagine the kids are. Wait, we arrived here at 4 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then they start swimming. They start swimming at 5 o'clock, and then they're still swimming up to this time. It's I guess it's 9:30 o'clock now in the evening. Okay, let me check. Oh, it's 9:44 o'clock in the evening. So they're still swimming and they don't feel like they're cold. That's awesome. Here. So this is gonna be overnight. So as I remember, this would be my first time that I have an overnight activity like this. As I remember, when I was a child, I don't know. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Okay, I gonna record them how the slide is fun. Oh my God, di lang tak mahawa. I can have to go closer to the slide so I can show you. Okay. They're having fun. I love that. Okay, another one. Another chance. Another one.
Another chance.
Another chance. Ada siya ang light. Oh, mag-change color.
Bugatan natin yun.
Murag makawala siya kuan magutugnaw ang light.
Oo. I like the light design. Just like disco light. So that's my in-laws there. Wala ko ng ulo.
Sige dai, ato nga din sin.
Tabang. Ano mo ana?
Sana kayo.
My voice is shaking already because I'm so cold. Oh.
Di na ako maligo na?
Lupo. Kagawang budoy. Hatid ka.
Maka na video sa mo?
Yes. Gibidyohan tabo nga nag-slide, ganahan ko mo tan-aw. Siya da siya. Na-highlight niya tag ano dala oh. Hoy!
Uy, saman to!
Hoy, sa to? Sakit mo kayo to?
Ha?
Sakit to?
Wala man bitaw.
Mura lang mga kapag-pakog yung siko.
Wala naman.
So, ganun. Mamara ka nagsalo matiming eh. Mura nagbuwang ka rin ito ah. Timimi, nagdudong! Dali ba?
Wow, my favorite color blue. And purple. What else?
Wala ka nagita,
White.
Wala ka nagita.
Ha?
Wala ka nagita.
Okay na kita?
Ano?
Kana.
Oo.
Oh, green. Well, I not cannot take any longer since my first storage is not enough. So I'm gonna have to cut this vlog off, and I would like to say bye bye. Thank you.